Welcome to No Skills Steve. I'm Steve, and I have no skills. And so let me explain what's going on here with my side view mirror. As you can see, it's hanging off. You know, generally, they're not supposed to do that, right? So I have a replacement, and I'm going to be putting that in. And while I do that, I'll tell you what happened here. Friday morning, I come out to my car to bring my son to school. I have to move it for street cleaning. Anyway, and you know, the thing is dangling off the car, right? And I see a note from somebody that a school bus or something like that hit it. Is this the right one? That's the right one. And they have some pictures for me if I need it. Oh my God. See, doing this while filming is tough. Okay, here we go. So, you know, I probably don't need the pictures, but I got them anyway. That was nice. But yeah, I've already replaced this one, so this is at least something I know how to do from time. I screwed it up, actually, and then it just, like, randomly fell off. I backed into a fence. So, anyway, so Friday, I got my son to school, and I'm kind of freaking out, because we're supposed to drive up to Massachusetts, which is where I am right now, to visit my in-laws. And, you know, this car's 2007 model, so they don't exactly just carry replacement parts like this in stores. I had to work that day. Like, I couldn't, like, take all day to solve this. So I duct taped the thing to the car, and that lasted actually most of the drive up from Massachusetts. We got to, like, basically the Massachusetts-Connecticut border. Suck, it's not quite deep enough to get this, but all right. Got basically to the Massachusetts-Connecticut border. The tape started to slip, so stopped for a bathroom break and to retape it. And it lasted most of yesterday going around town while we were waiting for this replacement part to show up. We ordered it to my brother-in-law's house. Okay, so take out these bolts here. And then this, forgot, should probably, should have done this before. Should have done this before I took this out. All right, I gotta put you down for a second. Okay, so I got this unplugged, took it out. Let's go in here. Okay. And so now I've got the replacement here. And, all right. Yep. I think these pins over here look a little bit shorter than on this one, which is good. I'll be able to fit the whole socket onto these. Yeah, that's like way longer. Okay, so let's get these off. Easy peasy. Okay, so line it up. Okay, that's in. Let's hold it from this side. Whoa! It's sitting on the broken old one. Yeah, those pins are definitely... I don't even know if that's the right thing to call them. I've just been calling them pins, but that might not be correct at all. I don't know. Okay, click. Okay. Socket wrench. Okay. Okay. This just goes back like this. You gotta line that up. There's like a hole. There's this, goes into that hole, and then this part goes into there, and that's it. And then we'll make sure the mirrors work. And so, since obviously this thing comes primed, like ready to paint, and for you to see my next video. I do a lot of spray painting of things. Video that I was supposed to post on Friday morning, and I had to spend time dealing with this and didn't have enough time to upload. I think this is something maybe I'll do a future video on to kind of paint that. I never got to it with this one before it was destroyed. I'm kind of grateful for that. I think I need to get my car washed. Also, was going to do that, but then let's open the window a little bit. Okay, was going to get the car washed. Hold on, no, maybe I got to turn it all the way on. Okay, it's moving, but hold on. I need to move it this way. Okay, there we go. All right. Great success. Wonderful. Thanks for bearing with me through some pretty terrible camera work. Don't really have the ability to edit this as much as I would like before posting. If I wanted to get something up, it's probably going to be another day or so. Maybe tomorrow I'll be able to post the video of spray painting some tables on my balcony. And yeah, okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, follow along.